Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to do an oil change on a Dodge Magnum. It will be the same procedure for a Dodge Charger as well right here, and Chrysler 300 as well. It's a 3.5 V6 engine, as you can see right here. Oh yeah, so if you open the manual on page 358 right here, you can see the capacities, and if you have a different engine as well, and let's say you have the 2.7, but ours is 3.5 without all-wheel drive, so engine oil with filter. In our case, okay, we're right here, 3.5 engine, 6 quarts or 5.7 liters. And what we're using right here, it's a 5W30 Castro, so this is a 5-quart jack, and we need 6 quarts, so you need to buy one extra quart for that. And this is the oil filter if you're using from PH16. Okay, next thing, guys, what you need to do, you need to jack the car up on both sides and put a jack stand, or you can do it on the phone right here, but you need to have a jack stand and a 17mm wrench. And the oil plug is on the back of the oil pan right there. So if you go counterclockwise, you just take it off, loosen it, and we need to remove the oil plug now all the way and let it drain. It will be quite a bit of oil, 6 quarts, so make sure you have a big pan or a bucket to collect it. Okay, and as you can see, this one is pretty black, hasn't been replaced for a long time. We just got the car. Okay, so now let it drain. It's going to take you probably about 5 to 10 minutes. If you leave the car, if you drive the car before you do the oil change, the oil will be warm and it will come out easier, but make sure you don't burn yourself on a hot oil. So it's up to you how you decide to do it. On some engines, guys, there is an undercover, but this one, it's broken. As you can see, there is 4 bolts holding it, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. And if you have it, you need to remove it, but it's pretty simple. So you can change the oil. Okay, we're still dripping some, so we'll give it a little bit more time. Okay, we're done, and now what you need to do, guys, you need to install the oil plug back on the oil pan and get it tight now. Do not leave it for later, because you might forget, guys, and if you forget, from vibration you get loose and you leak all the oil out of the engine and ruin the engine. So get it tight now, don't forget it. Don't leave it for later, just get it done now. Okay, like that. We need to remove the oil filter, which is located right there on the front driver's side of the oil pan, and this one was pretty loose. We'll show you what you need to do to make sure that it doesn't get stuck for the next oil change, so stay with us to see what we're going to do. If it's too tight, you can use oil filter pliers to take it off, but ours was pretty simple. Okay, just like that. And make sure, guys, that you recycle the oil and the oil filter. Do not pollute on it, do not just put it in the trash can. Take it to Walmart or any center, they'll take it for free. Some places will even give you money for it. Okay, now we need to get the new filter, guys, and if you just install it now, it's going to get stuck on because the rubber is dry. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to apply a little bit of the clean new oil on the rubber seal like that. This way you'll be able to take it off easy next time. And since it's a filter that it just bolts on like that, it's vertical, we're going to fill it up a little bit so we can avoid dry start. Okay, you don't have to do all the way, but at least some. That way the car will have oil when you start it, because if it's a dry filter, the first few seconds it will run with no oil, which is not a problem, but it's not good. I mean, if you can save it, it's better. And all we need to do now, just go ahead and install it on the oil filter housing now. You can wipe a little bit here and there if you made a mess, because most likely you will, because when you remove the old one, they will always leak. Okay, and get it tight. Get it tight by hand, don't use any special tools, guys, because there is no need to get it too tight. So as much as you can with your hand, that's plenty. Okay, so so far 2 things not to forget: the oil plug and the oil filter, to get both of those tight. Now you're ready to remove the jack stand, get everything underneath the car out of there and just let it down now to be leveled, okay, all the way down. And now we need to go ahead and add the oil, and we're using 530 but they recommend 1030, okay, right here. So you need to remove that oil cap right here. Depending on the temperature, guys, and where you are, you can use different oils, and you can find that in the manual what oil it's recommended according to the temperature outside. Okay, now just go ahead and add 6 quarts. Okay, and we'll go ahead and add 5 quarts from that jug, because it's a 5-quart jug, some are 4, so be careful, pay attention what you get, not to overfill it, because it will cause catalytic damage, because it will burn through the exhaust and the excessive amount of oil will clog up the catalytic converters. Okay guys, this is according to the temperature outside. You can see what kind of oil you need to use right here if you need to. Okay, we added an extra quart, so we have 6 quarts now, guys. You can pull the funnel out of there, install the cap, because if you don't, you'll lose vacuum and spray oil everywhere. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we'll put the dipstick, but we'll probably have a little bit too much, because the oil filter is not full all the way now. So we'll wipe it, pull it again, and what you need to do after that, make sure that you have enough oil. First we're going to start it, okay, and it's right at maximum right now. You need to start it and let it run for about a minute or 2, and then turn it off and let it stay for about 5 minutes before you can get another reading. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start it right there, and just let it run for a minute and turn it off after that. Okay, now pull the dipstick, wipe it again, guys, because the first reading will not be accurate since it sprayed oil on the dipstick, and put it again, pull it out and see what you're getting the second time. Okay, and right now it's right at minimum, so you can actually add a little bit more to be between the minimum and the maximum. Only 6 quarts, you will be barely above the minimum, but not too much, so probably you can do 6.2, 6.3 quarts. So that's the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.